Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest trends and strategies to help you make money online. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you: how to make money on Audible, the world's leading audiobook platform. So, grab your headphones and let's dive right in. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss any of our money-making tips and tricks. Alright, let's get started. Many of us love listening to audiobooks, but did you know that you can turn your passion for audiobooks into a profitable side hustle? That's right. Audible offers an incredible opportunity to earn money while doing something you enjoy. Here's how you can make it happen. Step 1. Become an audiobook narrator. If you have a pleasant voice and enjoy reading aloud, this is a fantastic way to monetize your talent. Audible has a platform called ACX, which stands for Audiobook Creation Exchange. ACX allows you to narrate and produce audiobooks, which can then be sold on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. Step 2. Choose the right book. To maximize your earning potential, select books that are in high demand or belong to popular genres. Look for books that are currently trending or have a large fan base. This will increase your chances of generating more sales and earning higher royalties. Step 3. Create a stellar audiobook. The quality of your narration and production is crucial for success on Audible. Invest in a good microphone and recording setup to ensure a professional sound. Take your time to perfect your narration skills and bring the story to life for your listeners. Step 4. Market your audiobook. Once your audiobook is ready, it's time to spread the word. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to create hype and engage with potential listeners. Collaborate with influencers or book bloggers who can promote your audiobook to their audience. And don't forget to optimize your audiobook's description and keywords on Audible to improve its discoverability. Step 5. Collect royalties. Audible offers various royalty options, including a 40% non-exclusive distribution agreement and a 25% exclusive distribution agreement. It's essential to understand the terms and select the option that suits your goals best. Keep track of your sales and earnings through the ACX dashboard and celebrate your success. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to make money on Audible. Turn your passion for audiobooks into a rewarding side hustle and start earning today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow bookworms. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with making money on Audible, leave a comment down below. We love hearing from you. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep reading and keep earning. Until next time, happy listening.